Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about LG Electronics Pump Casing Sub ASM part #AGM30016301. The LG Electronics Pump Casing Sub ASM part #AGM30016301 is a part of the washing machine assembly. It is a sub-assembly that helps to contain and protect the pump motor and other components of the washing machine. The casing is made of durable plastic and is designed to keep water, dirt, and other debris away from the pump motor. It also helps to reduce noise from the motor. The casing has an easy-to-remove cover that allows for easy access to the pump motor for maintenance or repair. This part is compatible with many LG washing machines and can be us. This part fixes the following symptoms. LG Electronics Pump Casing Sub ASM part #AGM30016301 is used to replace a damaged or faulty pump casing sub-assembly in LG washing machines. It can help to fix issues such as water leakage, noisy operation, and failure of the washer to fill with water. Here is how you install this part. 1. Turn off the power to the appliance and disconnect it from the power source. 2. Remove the existing pump casing sub-assembly by unscrewing the screws that hold it in place. 3. Place the new LG Electronics Pump Casing Sub ASM part #AGM30016301 into position and secure it with the screws that were removed. In step 2. 4. Reconnect the appliance to its power source and turn on the power. 5. Test the appliance to ensure that it is working properly with the new pump casing sub-assembly installed. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.